Hey, it's Mike and today I'd like to talk about Holicity Inc. This stock trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol HOL. The stock was down over 12%, down to 1620. After hours, the stock did move back up to 1678, up over 3.5%. Look over the past 1 month chart of Holicity, you can see it has risen up pretty impressively and then rolled over. However, this is a company, a SPAC actually, that you should definitely take a look at because they're currently in a deal to send Astra public, and Astra is a company that provides rocket services for satellite delivery and dedicated launch services. So it's basically a rocket company. Um, Currently, there are two sectors, there are two business services. There's low orbit satellite delivery services and also a dedicated launch services, so they could send payloads of 50 kilograms up to 150 kilograms in 2021 and 2022. I do think rocket services are probably going to be more in demand in the future. Obviously, you could have companies that may want to launch their own, satellite communication service or launch anything else that they want to send into space. So, rockets are the future. You definitely see a lot of companies getting into satellites, getting into rocket launch services like SpaceX. There's definitely a possibility that a company like Astra may be able to get government contracts, maybe from not a country like the United States, but maybe from like smaller countries, developing countries that may want to send their own satellites into space. You could imagine, let's say, maybe not smaller countries, but let's say countries that may not have their own big space program, like say in Italy or Belgium or Portugal or something like that. They may want to use services like Astra, and just a couple of those government contracts can really send a stock like this flying. So if you're into having exposure into the space sector, then definitely take a look at Holicity because a lot of these SPACs, I think they took a hit after Churchill went down a lot after the deal with Lucid, so maybe a lot of people are not really hot on the SPACs right now. However, there are definitely some opportunities in the SPAC space. Like I said, especially with a company that's involved in the rocket business, which would probably be one of the emerging sectors over the next decade. So definitely check out Holicity. Again, it trades on the Nasdaq on symbol HOL. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.